Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you 6 gift wrapping ideas using brown paper bags. I've already wrapped my gift with my brown paper bag. It's pretty basic, but since I wanted to give it a little bit something extra while still keeping it very minimal, I'm using this 3mm macrame cord and simply wrapping it around multiple times. I saw Melanaid Beauty do this all over on her channel and I was so inspired that I had to try it out for myself. She used black craft paper and black yarn on a few of her gifts and I thought it was really beautiful, and I thought that it really gave her gifts like a really masculine feel, so I wanted to try it out as well, but I wanted to give my gifts a little bit more contrast, so that's why I used the ivory cord, and I really love how it turned out. And be sure to check out Melanaid Beauty over on her channel. Her style is very minimal, Scandinavian, and her vibe is just so chill. I think you'd really enjoy watching her videos as well. For the next gift wrapping idea, I'm keeping it extremely simple again. I'm using this mini cardboard form, which is something that I recycled a while ago, and so I just found it in my craft studio. I'm simply dipping it into some white paint and I'm dabbing it all over my brown paper bag. I love the abstract texture that it creates, and it kind of reminds me of snowflakes. For the third wrapping idea, I wanted to make printed wrapping paper, so I used the lid off of a candle and a sticker from one of these Dollar Tree sticker packs. I attached the sticker to the lid and boom, I got a stamp. I used a brush to apply the paint to the stamp because I wanted to control how much paint ended up on the paper. I was going for that faded vintage look. I'm really loving the way my printed paper looks. To elevate my gift, I added some 3mm macrame cord and I wrapped it around my gift as though I'm about to make a bow. I'm not going to actually make a bow. I'm actually going to be adding some dried citrus, which is so popular this season, and I do see why. The brightness of the citrus really adds that natural element to the gift, and it really does give it a pop. I'm also adding in some fresh thyme, not just for the color, but also because I really love how it smells. For gift wrapping idea number 4, I wanted to give you another option just in case you didn't want to actually use wrapping paper and you wanted to maybe paint or design like a plain white surface box like the one I'm about to show you. This one is very simple. I just took some of those Dollar Tree stickers that I had left over and I painted them. Of course, you don't have to paint them because I was going for a certain aesthetic and a uniformed kind of look, I decided to paint my stickers using like this, whatever this oatmeal color is. I'm not really sure, but it's a neutral color. And it's also a really great activity to do with kids, especially if you want to keep it simple. I chose to paint my stickers, but of course you don't have to. The dollar store has tons of holiday sticker options that you can choose from, and you literally just peel it off and stick it on and you're done. For the next gift wrapping idea, I wanted to go with a more elegant look, and what's more elegant than a bow? I used this polka dot ribbon from Dollar Tree and I wrapped my gift with it. Instead of going with the traditional bow, I used these jingle bells from Dollar Tree and hot glued them to my ribbon. For the last idea, I braided some macrame cord and attached it to my gift. Again, I wanted something that looked like a bow but didn't want an actual bow, so I used this wooden circular form and I made a few lark's head knots around it to give it a little fringe. I tied it to my gift and that was it. After watching my gift wrapping ideas, I hope I was able to spark your imagination for when you wrap yours. I think there's just something so nice about using your own creativity to customize each gift exactly the way you want it to look like and without breaking the bank. Also, if you're not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!